Can you do it my back, please?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Beautiful view.
The mountains are beautiful. Koala, eh? I'd like to see a koala. Koala. So cute. What's his head doing?
He's just looking at the ground. He does that, hey?
That's what I'm saying, that's when it hurts my back, because he's like,
Yeah.
pulls forward in all his weight. Just look up, Papa.
Baba, look at the
Trees
camera.
in the sky, Daddy.
Ah, it's a real life birthday.
Yeah. No?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it is.
That could be so nice.
Butterfly, Schmetterling. Look. Butterfly.
Which one? The one on the inside?
Right.
Yeah. Yes.
Beautiful. Yeah.
Yeah. Baba. It's not something that you don't need to practice.
Gimbal.
Yeah.
Yeah. You happy to have it back?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this sticky one. What's Daddy doing? Crinkle. Freshy.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Baba. Ah.
Is he drinking?
It's not quite getting him yet. Yay!
My hand is under his jaw.
No, he's enjoying it. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it, Baba?
His face.
Yeah, he's happy, babe.
Oh. Put your face in it.
Yeah.
Drink.
Happy. Tanoshi.
Oh no, did that get you in the eye? So. What are you doing on the ground, mate? Are you walking? Yeah? Are you walking?
Why are you holding it sideways?
Because then I can get his whole body
Are
in.
you taking a... Look at Mama. Look at Mama.
Are you walking?
It's a bit yucky.
It's a bit prickly. Ah.
He is super happy outside, isn't he?
Yeah. Fraser, him being upset on Fraser was just because he was sick. It was an anomaly. Like, he loves the outside. Great walking.
Is the autofocus working? Because I got it on plane.
Yeah, it is. Turkey? Are you bush turkey? Oh, thank you. Just Put it on your butt. I'm finished. Had enough.
I think he likes being on my shoulders because he can move a bit more.
Yeah.
Coffee right there. Oh, I can feel it.
He's clapping and waving. Woo-woo. Careful, cowboy.
I'd get a bit closer to. You recording?
Yeah.
Baba, what are you doing?
Oh, very good.
Beautiful drawing, Baba.
You drawing? What you drawing? Picture? Wow, that's very good. Yeah.
Yeah, drawing, baby. Drawing, baby.
So pretty. That's very pretty. Do you want a different colour? Do you want green?
Drawing special, Baba. Special Baba drawing.
Oh, that's a nice one.